In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging content for Instagram Reels and TikTok using Clipchamp, a versatile video editing platform. We'll go through the entire process, starting from the basics and making sure you have everything you need to get those creative juices flowing. Let's make our way to Clipchamp and unlock new horizons for your social media endeavors. First things first, you'll want to visit the Clipchamp website. It's as simple as opening your preferred web browser and typing in their URL. Once you're there, it's all about getting set up. Clipchamp offers a user-friendly interface, perfect for both beginners and experienced video creators. If you haven't yet created an account, you may want to consider doing so, as it will help you save your progress and export your final creations. With Clipchamp, you're not just limited to basic editing. The platform offers a range of tools that can significantly enhance your videos. After you've settled into Clipchamp, it's time to delve into the media section. This is where all the magic happens. Start by choosing the size option for your project. You will see several sizing options designed to fit various social media platforms. Here, we want to focus on choosing vertical. Why vertical, you ask? Well, this format is quintessential for Instagram Reels and TikTok videos. These platforms favor the vertical aspect ratio because it utilizes the full screen on mobile devices, making your videos more immersive and engaging for viewers. Choosing the right aspect ratio is critical for video creation targeted at these platforms because it maximizes the viewer's experience. A vertical format ensures that your content feels native and appealing, increasing the chances of capturing and holding the audience's attention. It's a minor adjustment that makes a significant difference in how your content is perceived. Once you've selected the vertical option, you're all set to begin creating your masterpiece. Import your media files and let your creativity lead the way. Whether it's raw footage that needs to be trimmed, music that needs syncing, or effects that you want to play around with, Clipchamp provides the tools necessary for you to bring your vision to life. Don't be afraid to experiment. Creativity often thrives when we explore and push boundaries. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you are now prepared to make stunning videos that your audience will love. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with the platform, the more efficient your process will become. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I can't wait to see the amazing content you create. So go ahead, dive in, and have fun creating your next viral video.